YOLO, embracing life's moments. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're diving into a phrase that's become quite popular in English, especially among younger generations. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind YOLO. It's a term that packs a punch and reflects a significant cultural idea. So, let's jump right in and explore what YOLO means and how you can use it in your everyday English. YOLO stands for You Only Live Once. This phrase encapsulates a philosophy that encourages people to seize opportunities and live life to the fullest because we each have only one life to live. It's often used to justify taking chances or doing something out of the ordinary. YOLO implies that we should make the most of our present moments without excessively worrying about the future. The concept of living life to its fullest is not new, but the acronym YOLO gained popularity in the early 2010s. It was popularized by celebrities and in music, particularly in a song by the Canadian rapper Drake. The term quickly caught on, especially on social media, becoming a trendy way to express an adventurous spirit and a zest for life. YOLO can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to social media posts. For example, when deciding to try something new or adventurous, like skydiving or traveling to a new country, one might say, "I'm doing it because YOLO." It can also be used humorously to justify small, everyday decisions, like eating an extra piece of cake. "I'll have another slice, YOLO." Remember, while it's a fun and casual phrase, it's best used in informal settings and among friends. YOLO isn't just a trendy phrase. It reflects a broader cultural attitude towards life and decision-making. It signifies a shift towards valuing experiences, taking risks, and embracing the present. However, it's important to note that YOLO is sometimes criticized for encouraging reckless or thoughtless behavior. As with any philosophy, it's about finding a balance and understanding the context. And that wraps up our exploration of YOLO. We hope this video has not only taught you a new English phrase but also given you insight into a cultural mindset that encourages living life boldly and with enthusiasm. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and cultures they represent. Keep practicing, and don't forget, you only live once. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.